So y'all know I ain't been recording no videos with SES, and I'm back with another one, man. I've been working every day. We got OTG over here. This is my first video back. It's been a while. Let's get this paperwork over. Let me pay this man, and I'll give y'all a little rundown what's going on. Yes, sir, man. I'm back. Appreciate OTG Mechanic, man, picking this thing up, because y'all don't follow me on Instagram. Y'all don't know, man. I've been super busy, man, pumping out work like crazy, man. Just pumping it out. I ain't got time to tow. I don't have time to do nothing. Literally, I don't even go to the store, man. Like, I order everything, and I just make it work around my time, because I got school, I got work, got my new baby. Man, that's why I say YouTube could take a break. But I've been doing so much box Chevy, donk, and that's basically about it. And C10 stuff. It's only really one thing I make for the C10, that's the console. But I'll soon have the kick pounders available and the bottom door pounder. I just ain't got time to make the shapes yet. But this thing's so rough, still make it work. I just sprayed this thing down with some awesome. I'm about to wipe it down. I try to keep everything that's here, man, like clean-ish looking, because when it started looking like this, some of them complaints and stuff start coming in. So I'm cleaning it up and cover it up. I got another cover with the frame bent. One thing I have to get done is this got to get pulled right here, so I can make sure that rear deck area is straight. Gotta happen. I'm telling, like, hey, you gotta do this for me. Just let me know how much to pull this thing. Like, I just need this area right here pulled so it can be even. The rest of the stuff, man, like I say, I really just bought this for one thing. The guy said it's original drivetrain. His shit possibly may run some fresh gas. I don't know, but I ain't really too much worried about that. Which I am, because I want to be able to get it rolling at least. Like, say if I need to make something, I can drive it in the shop, make it, pull it back out, drive it over there. But that's what the new shop like. Oh yeah, I meant to tell y'all too. Shop paid off 3 months. Well, the shop money I've been made back, but all of my money that I spent, man, I was nervous. I was like, man, I don't really know. I should have went a little bit bigger. I wish I would have went a little bit bigger, but still, I ain't want a damn warehouse in the back of the yard. But the shop's fully paid off. So I got my pressure washer over here. I'm going to turn this water on and pressure wash this bad boy and make that call. Let Jason know, like, hey, it's got to happen, bro. Just let me know. Touching at least. I got some starter fluid. I have no clue if this thing gonna start, but guy say it might start. He don't know. So I got some starter fluid. I'm gonna get some gas. I just need to be able to move the thing. That's why I was trying to not buy rollers. But yeah, get y'all overall front clip clean. This fender here looks salvageable, somewhat. You know, a good body, man. Front bumper decent. Got the normal aging cracks and stuff. This side, like, flawless, man. Crazy. The trunk, I don't know. I wouldn't know. I just need to get back there and make that back deck piece. But it's key in here. Let's see. Nothing. I ought to put a dead battery on the car. So, getting the boys back down. Let's see now. See the crank. Oh shoot, got some fire. So let me put starter fluid on. Couple sprays, starter fluid. Let's see. Oh shit. Like the gas gauge don't work. And I don't have no fuel with me. Don't believe so. Need to go get some. Big pull that boy. Hell yeah, shit. You can weld as many tabs as you need.
It ain't gonna be no tabs. Shit, I gotta hook a big ass chain and a brace on that motherfucker.
Oh, to the post, to the like the middle piece.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I got you. Shit, hey, as long as it work.
Dude, damn, how am I? Yeah, well, I gotta figure out how to get the well. However it goes, you'll be able to get in there to get the motherfucker deck in and out.
Okay, bet. Shit, that work.
Hey, better boy, you better get them parts over that motherfucker and sell them. Cause them shit, that left side, boy, that left side clean.
Hey, I'm finna send you pictures. It is like nothing ever happened. I just rinsed it off.
Man, that motherfucker clean. That side wouldn't be hit right there, boy. That's a nice car to get 10,000 for.
I'm saying. I'm saying.
See if you can get it running. Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas later on today. Then I'll let you know. Yep, man, that's the body, man. Y'all don't be trying to take my slots, man. That's the body, man. Get me done. But yeah, man, that mother banged up, bro. Whatever hit this, hit hard. And I mean hard. But like I said, I just need this area, which looks good. Look goddamn good. Good enough. And y'all heard it crank with the starter fluid. So it might run, shoot. I'll put a dead battery in there first. But yeah. Back with the fam. I'm done for the day. Well, I'm done for right now. I'm coming back out tonight. No, I'm not. I gotta do my homework. I won't come out after I do my homework. Whatever, I'll make it work. Whatever it is, I'm gonna make it work. That's yes, man. I'm out. What's up, y'all? So, find you back. Man, I just went to the gas station. Hey, so I got 10 gallons of gas put in this car, which I should have dropped the tank, but it'll be all right, whatever it is. Got some Supreme. Yeah, put 10 gallons in this thing. And I believe, since it's fuel injected, that hey, it just might start. I do believe so. Well, we about to find out right now, man. About to pop this hood, get my hammer so I can do the post again, and some starter fluid. I'm gonna open this garage door, all the stuff right here still. But this about to be interesting. I definitely believe it's gonna start, so we about to find out right now. Look, that thing is clean, boy. This was a clean ass car, like for real. That thing got smacked hard too. Let's see though. Hey, I ain't gonna tell y'all who, but somebody said, man, don't sell that car. You could literally put that car back together. I was like, damn. All right, well, I don't know what part now. Look at the clock. The clock still working. I don't hear nothing with the fuel. The fuel injected. All right, guys. Today I'm ordering me a flute, man. So this is a battery tester. It's the only thing I got that will show me some power. So I ain't know which one of these wires was power for the fuel pump, and I need to go ahead and look it up. But yeah. So I'm testing these two wires. I'm making a video. Black and pink. Yeah. And I'm getting some power with that. So I'm guessing maybe the pink wire. Yeah. It's power. But let me do my research before I try to hot wire something. Mess something up. But when I connect this to the harness, man, literally nothing. So I don't know what's going on. Hold on, I'm connecting it back right now. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. I just want to know if the fuel pump work or not before I go buying parts. I ain't into buying parts that don't fix the problem. Just keep throwing parts at it. I'd rather just diagnose it. So let me go ahead and do my research real quick and then see if I can jump the fuel pump. All right, man. So I was like, man, can't get it running, right? So I got to get out the way. That's why I made my little area for the cars, man. But as soon as it got on a slant, gas started coming out everywhere. I'm like, Well, that explains why there ain't no gas sound. I don't believe it's a sending unit or a fuel pump in there. But you tip, and then stuff start running out. All that is gas. So the tank definitely got to be dropped. See what's going on there. As we see, you do got spark, just don't have fuel. And I'm guessing that's the issue. Maybe somebody's playing with it or trying to get it running or something. I know I can get it running. I just need to know what been done prior, which I don't. So pulling this thing down, and I put the trailer all the way up there, but I couldn't push the car off, man. So I just want to say it's official. I'm not taking cars that don't run. It's just too much work. Got my own stuff to worry about. Then I can't mess with somebody else's car that don't run. I just can't. It's too much work, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one.